Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tools Guider. On this video, we are helping you to buy the best magnetic induction heater on AliExpress 2025. We made the list based on around open ion, recharge, and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Number 1. XMSJ Magnetic Induction Heater. The XMSJ 1500W Magnetic Induction Heater is a versatile and portable tool ideal for DIY and automotive repair tasks. Its 1500W flameless heating technology ensures safe, efficient heat application, perfect for loosening stubborn bolts and components. Compact and easy to use, it's well suited for tight spaces and offers reliable performance. The durable construction and user-friendly design make it a practical addition to any toolkit. Whether for professionals or hobbyists, this induction heater delivers excellent value and dependable results. Number 2. ZJMZYM 1000W Magnetic Induction Heater. The ZJMZYM 1000W Magnetic Induction Heater Kit is a reliable tool for automotive repair tasks, especially bolt and screw removal. With a 1000W power output and dual voltage compatibility, 110V/220V, it delivers efficient flameless heating for safe and precise work. The kit includes 10 interchangeable coils, offering versatility for various applications. Compact and easy to use, it heats quickly, saving time and reducing the risk of component damage. A well-built and practical tool for professionals and DIY mechanics alike. Number 3. ZASBIN 1100W Magnetic Induction Heater. The ZASBIN 1100W handheld induction heater is a versatile and efficient tool for bolt removal and other heating tasks. With 1100W power and 220V operation, it delivers rapid, flameless heat, ensuring safety and precision. The compact, handheld design makes it easy to use in tight spaces, while its sturdy construction ensures durability. Perfect for professionals and DIY users, this heater offers great performance at a reasonable price. The free, fast shipping is an added bonus, making it highly recommended. Number 4. ZASBIN IH2000 Magnetic Induction Heater. The ZASBIN IH2000 is a powerful 2000W induction heater designed for efficient screw and bolt removal. Its flameless heating technology ensures safety while delivering precise, fast heat to loosen stubborn bolts without damaging surrounding areas. Operating at 230V, it offers robust performance and reliability, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The build quality is solid, and its stock-ready availability ensures quick acquisition. A dependable and versatile tool, it's a great addition to any workshop. Number 5. FH1500W Magnetic Induction Heater. The FH1500W Magnetic Induction Heater is an excellent tool for automotive repairs, particularly for removing stubborn bolts. Its flameless design ensures safety while delivering consistent heat through its 8/10 interchangeable coils. Compact and portable, it's easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The build quality feels durable, and the induction process is quick, reducing the risk of damage to nearby components. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this heater is a reliable addition to any toolkit. Highly recommended.